Hello guys, welcome to Sparky once again. In this video tutorial, I am going to be revealing to you guys the code which I have been using to purchase data in the year 2025. Alright, maybe you have been using star 312 hash. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the code which I am using to buy data cheap, especially for MTN users. Please do take note that this video is specifically for MTN user, or this code is specifically for MTN user. So if you are using if you are using MTN, maybe you can try it, but please take note that it may work for you and it may not work for you. All right, that it work for me does not mean that it will work for you. So maybe after watching this video and you want to give it a try, you can just dial the code in your phone to see if you're eligible for the offer or not. All right, this is how I am buying cheap data in the year 2025, and I am going to buy data in this video. We all are going to see how it goes. All right, so I'll explain to you guys how it works and the rest of them. But before I proceed, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, and what I do on my channel is all about business tips. I share money making tips, money making ideas online, and also code that can also enable us buy data cheap. That's if those code are legit ones. All right, now this code I am showing you guys in this video, this code was given to me by MTN, not like I cracked it on my own. MTN sent it to me one of these days. I just got it on my SMS. I decided to say, let me try it, see if this code they sent to me is working or not. And then behold, it actually worked. All right, so and it worked in my other line, and I tried it on this one and it also worked. So I decided to share the update. All right, so maybe you are using star 312 to buy data. All right, so after watching this video, you may try this one to see if you will be eligible or not. So let's go straight to the point. So let's go to our dialer. So now please take note that before these things can work for you, you need to have a time in your phone. All right, you need to have a time. If you don't have a time, it may not work. All right, so you have to have a time in your phone. So now I will dial star 121 hash. All right, that's the code. So then you send. So now you can see they have top deal for me, they have data for me, they have WAS for me, they have smart data. So let's click on top deal and see which offer that we have there. So we have, let's send. All right, this one is a 7 MB for 20 naira. And then let's go back and check the other one. So we click on 0. Then we have data for me. Let's check it as number 2 and see. So we send. All right, they say get 1 gig for 300 naira, and then enjoy 106 MB for 300 naira. No, let's go back. This one is not okay. So let's go back again. And then they have the WAS for me. So let's click on it. WAS for me. We click on it. That's number 3. Okay, your win cash time and wait. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back. No, let's go back. Let's go back. All right, so let me see this one. So we are going to try the number 4, which is smart data. All right, smart data. And then after that, we are going to compare the price of this one versus the price of the normal code which we normally use to buy data. Right, so this code, like I said, this code was given to me by MTN. It was sent to me on SMS. They asked me to get the cheap data through this code, and then I decided to try it, and it actually works for me. All right, so I don't really know if it will work for you. Always take note of that. I am not a financial advisor. Please guys, take note, the result may vary. All right, so now let's click on number 4. We send. No, sorry, we waited for some time. That's why the thing failed. So let's choose number 4 and see. So number 4. So you can see this place here, they have number 1 daily offer, then 30 days offer. So click on number 2, which is 30 days offer. All right, so this one 250 naira for 1 gig for 30 days, then 400 naira for 2 gig for 30 days, then 700 naira for 4 gig. Do you understand? So do you see it now? So that's quite cheap, right? So now let's check the normal data code, which is star 312 hash. So now let's see if we can get any of the monthly plan that will give us 400 for 400 for 4 gig. That's 700 for 4 gig, if we can see. So we click on data plans, which is number 1, and then we have the monthly plan, which is number 4. So we choose it, and then you can see it 15 for 2 gig, 15 for 2 gig, then 2000 for 2.3 for 2.7 gig, which is not even up to 10 gig, which we are getting with just a 1-to-1 hash. So now let's go and purchase the data. All right, now let's dial the code again. The code is *121 hash. Please take note, the result may vary. This thing may work for you and it may not work for me, or it may not work for you. So we will send. Now I will click on number 4, and then, which means that if this code work for you, you can actually expand your data by, maybe you can buy double, like that 700 naira, which is 4 gig, you can buy double. Do you understand? So by so doing, you can have enough data. So I'll click on number 3, which is 700 naira for 4 gig. So I will click on it, and then you click on number 1, accept. You'll be charged for 700 naira for the purchase of 4 gig for 30 days plan. So number 1, accept. So guys, you can see guys, activation successful. So that's it. Activation of 40 gig successful, 4 gig successful. So that is it, guys, as simple as that. So I don't know if this code will work for you or it will not work for you. You just have to, if you want to try it, you can try it, and if you don't want to try it, you can better still be using the normal code. Like I said, I was on just one fateful day like that, MTN just the way they normally send messages, so they sent me message with this code that I can get a WOOF data. So I just decided to dial the code, and then when I dialed the code, wow, I was given the data, as you all can see in this video, that I have also received another one. So the result may vary. That it work for me does not mean it to work for you. So that's just the gospel truth. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video, and then if you have any other questions in regard to this video, you can also comment below. All right, thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so that you not miss any of my latest updates. Thank you.